Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. So time check is almost 11 and it's 13th of May and we have a blue sky and sunny day. So it's very nice out here. So if you want to fancy join to walk around, this is the channel you need to see. So let's go. It's very quiet. Quiet and relaxed. It's quiet, you know. Imagine there's no car around. It's just like this. Very quiet. It's not the part of the car I used to see, you know. Oh, the construction is getting shape, my friends. Look at that. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but I don't think so. But it's getting shape. You're almost there, you know. Maybe in a few weeks time or a year time, it's gonna be finished. So anyway, welcome to Puerto Rico. Hey, hola! Wow, it's getting shape like this. You're supposed to do there. Some lounge beds and authentic views. So it's okay. Hola! There you go. Not so much banging around, so that's great, you know, to give the place some break a little bit of all the smashing and destroying things, which is quite good to give some relaxed space. See some people right there fixing things in the rooftop. Gonna be a blessed day for sure. When it's finished, we're gonna have more tourists around, new attraction going on. Painting. There's a restaurant here still refurbishing as well. I think this is the part of the beer garden, I suppose. Not quite sure. Beer garden here. They don't have any breakfast, that's why, you know, don't come here. If they have some breakfast, maybe I can sit down and film a little bit. And there's a lot of music going on out there, so great for YouTube video, I think. But yeah, the view is very nice. Everything's in you know, coolest thing. So temperature maybe about 19 degrees to 20, which is okay. And whatever it takes, you know, cold, windy or whatever, it's still dry out here. I can say a thing that you're complaining. Dry. Imagine dry place, even though cold. Now the sun is up, it's coming up. Wow, giving you a warm feeling on your face, you know, when the sun is up. Very nice. People looking at me and laughing around, enjoying my filming. So yes, this is Puerto del Carmen at its best.
Phil.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
I used to watch you through the pandemic
Oh,
and
thank you.
lockdown.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you very much. What's your name?
My name's Mel. I wondered if I'd ever meet you, but there you are.
Even a coffee shop, a local coffee shop is empty at this point. There's nothing around, you know. There's a lot of people walking, that's for sure, because, you know, try to enjoy the beautiful breeze and the sunshine, of course. But yeah, and the business is a little bit wonky, donkey wonky, they call it. Not much people around. Oh no, donkey wonky. Jeez, quiet, very quiet. Even though there's people walking, it's quiet. You can feel it. You can feel it. You can see it. I work in a restaurant, so I sit. Try my best to keep people staying, but, you know, I gotta please them. They have some coffee, they have some coffee. They have some beers, they have some beers, and that's it. Even though they don't want some food, at least they come. and have a beautiful coffee. And Dolomiti is here as well to serve you. Local coffee shop. Yeah, they have some nice, very, what do you call this? Healthy snacks right there. You know, the baguette and the sandwiches. Oh, loving it. And of course, the view. If you're sitting one of those terraces at the back, you will enjoy it because you have this view, folks. Whee! We got no more sun again. Wow. The good thing about, you know, filming every single day and no plans at all is just whatever it takes. Just put the camera on and say what you want to say, and that's it. And the editing is just quite different as well. You know, you're gonna watch the whole videos and you see a very different or not great clip. You just delete it and that's it. The only downside, if you have longer videos, you need to watch it, how long you make it and how long you're gonna watch it. That's how it works. But yeah, you need to cut it off, all the things that you don't need. So yeah, but this one is perfect for each of everyone. I guarantee when you come here, you're just gonna love the place. Even though the people that never been here or been here before, if they see the place, they can say, oh my goodness, this place is stunning. It is, and it's dry. I think you're gonna enjoy Lanzarote if you've been to the different places around here, especially, you know, the old towns, the new towns, and you know, the other towns around, like Tias, or somewhere in the north side, somewhere in the back door. So if you be there, like in the car or cycling, like what we do, it's just like very, very different. You know, you will see the place is just like, wow, never seen a place like this. It's just awesome. You know, the authentic Lanzarote feeling, you gotta feel it when you go at the back door. You know what I mean? The back of Tias and all the stuff in the middle of Lanzarote, you will see the difference between Puerto del Carmen, Playa Blanca, and Costa Teguise. Oh, very, very different. Spoons. I don't know if they do some €1 beer. I think they do some happy hour, I suppose. But in Pambe we do all day, every day, happy hour. We do €2 a beer, €1 small beer, €8 sangria, and €6 every cocktail that we have. That's for all day, you know, all day from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So if you're here, visit Pambe and you get the best out of it. And of course, the food. We have the variety of section that you can choose, from tapas, from snacks. We do snacks till late as well. Breakfast till 4. So yeah, name it. We don't have any Chinese food, that's for sure. We do chow mein and gyoza, and that's it. And the rest is just like typical mixture of Spanish and international cuisine. Wow, look how beautiful the place is. Even though this is a very quick update, I just want you to like embrace the moment, or embrace the sunshine, embrace the day. That's why I'm showing you everything possible. I can show you the best of the best for you when you're sitting down in your couch having sipping a tea, and then you look this video. It's just like, wow, you're walking with me. So I'm trying to make this beautiful and interesting as possible as I can. So yeah, this is a very quick one, folks. I think this is maybe 8-minute video, but yeah, I suppose I make you enjoy. So we're now heading in this part of San Antonio Hotel. This morning I went in different places, like I go to school for teacher meeting, and I went to the Palm Bay so I can get my phone because I forgot it yesterday, and there's a lot of things. And I went to a supermarket to buy some stuff, lots of things. And now it's almost 11. Actually it's 11 already, and I'm still here working it out and try to put some time dates always in our video, so you know where am I and which date, so you not get lost, you know, even though we came the video a little bit late. That's fine, there's a date on it and time stuff. So this is the San Antonio Hotel, and having a makeup progress right there, painting, you see it's all white, and the other one's fixing that part, which is kind of good. So yeah, I think everybody's having a great time here. And of course the sun is out again because of the thick clouds. It's gonna be back again after that. Hearing the waves right now is very special, you know. Every time I come here and just hearing the waves, and you have lots of problem going on, or maybe you're stressed, just sit down on one of these umbrellas or beds, or bring your own. Just sit down there and have a beer while overlook this beautiful view of the beach, and I think you'll be okay. No, stress free out. So this is what I'm talking about, folks. They're starting to make some progress around here. So in no time this place is gonna be open. So yeah, greeny. I hope it works, and they open it to the public so everybody can enjoy it to the fullest, you know what I mean. So yeah, enjoy the beautiful life. Look at the seagull, how big it is, just like an eagle. Look, oh, there's another one coming. Shoo! Oh, different species. We just right there a couple of minutes ago looking over here, and now we're here looking at them. Vice versa, eh? The coolest part of making video every day is just, it's like the camera is your friend. Keep on talking on it. It doesn't talk back, doesn't respond on you, but I guarantee if you're talking to the camera and you're kind of used to it, it's just like very different story now. Yeah, sometimes you get shy, you know, pointing camera to the people, but sometimes when you're in focus of doing your thing, you forget everything else, you know. I always give some time for myself, especially when we do like a video inside a mall or inside the restaurant. I don't really like that. I like this one, open space. You know, I think if I'm in the restaurant and lots of people looking at me, it's just I can't be on my own. I mean, I can be myself. I can't. Just like, I don't know, maybe I need to do more of that thing, so I kind of used to it. But to be honest with you, every time I see people, they say hello to me, like the guy that you know, I talked with this few minutes ago, and he's watching our video years and years, and then he didn't realize that it's me. They finally met me. It's just like, wow, you know, don't know really what to say to him, but I'm happy that he do appreciate all the movies that we do every day. So yeah, every day is a great day. So right here, and this is the San Antonio Hotel. I'm sorry about that, very itchy. You know, like I said, the weather here is very strange, you know. It's changing every now and then. Sometimes so bright and sunny, and then the next day is just so windy and dull sky, and then sometimes just like this, it's chill day. So yeah folks, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here now. This is the way I can do, and I hope you like this one. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for supporting, and keep on supporting the channel, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah folks, thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. There's a balancing rock around here. This is authentic ones, and the Matagorda, I don't know if it's true or not, but this one, yeah, look at that. See that? That's true art. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. Wow, if you walk all the way there, you will end up in Los Posillos, and I can see the Grand Hotel right here. It looks very near, but it's way far. It's about like 15 kilometers from here. That's fine. So folks, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. Peace out.